Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the software version on your JVC Smart TV. First of all, from the home screen, navigate to the gear icon on the right side of your TV, and then select Device and Software tile, press OK, enter your PIN code if prompted, and then go to About section. Here in the About section, highlight your TV, and in your TV information menu, you'll be able to find your current software version, so your current Fire OS version right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.